Hello, this is Goodison Gamer and welcome to another review. Today I shall take a look at Skate Crazy. It's a roller skating game from 1988 in which you control this person and you have to do tricks as well as collect litter, and you do it on a time limit. So here we go. My time limit is down there somewhere. And there are 4 judges, and they will judge you differently. Like the first judge, he will judge your overall performance, and the other ones I don't really remember. So here we go. It looks awesome actually for a Commodore 64 game. Very nice, sharp graphics, and the control system is pretty okay actually. I play with my controller. Perhaps this is more made for a joystick or something, but I don't have one. So here we go, and I cannot. If I do the same trick, I will not impress the judges. But I have not learned so many tricks. I'm just trying out, you know. So there are a lot of obstacles in the way here, which I need to avoid or jump over. That was the finish line. So I reach 11 points and I need 20 to qualify. So what we have to do now is to collect litter. 21 pieces of litter in 1 minute. So wish me luck, I could really need it. Let's go up here and see if we find anything shit here. No more there. There's litter. Is there anything up here? Can I find anything in here? No. So I have only found 6 pieces of litter. There is more. And time is running fast. So I should perhaps avoid to go up to the right there. I lost a lot of time there. 25 seconds to go. 14. Let's go down here. There is 1 piece of litter. 15. 16. 18. Fuck you. 19. 20. 21. I think I did it. 22. Yeah, I collect. So now it's time for the next level. So it's a very cool game, this one actually. I think it's brilliant. Once you get the hang of it with the controls, it's very fun. I'm struggling. So here is like a junction. You can go down here, collect some litter, but I shall not continue. Follow the flashes here. They're throwing balls at me here. Let's go up here and round. Shit, there are big holes. Go down here. So I hope I'm doing this right. Don't know. Let's go over here. Here is a big jump here. Let's. Choo! It feels like I'm doing the same trick all over, but I don't know actually. Let's go down here. I missed some litter, but I don't think I have to collect all the litter. But it will give me more points. Higher chances to advance. 13 out of 27. All luck. You must try to qualify again. So they are very, very picky, these judges here. So if there is any viewers who have played this game, please comment down in the comment section. What you like the game and how to play it in a proper way, because I don't know. I'm just trying it out, you know. And I don't know if I'm doing something right. I think I'm doing exactly the same thing right now, so I hope I can get a better point. I'm doing it pretty fast actually, but shall I try to go down here? I don't know. Now I'm wasting time as well. So there you go, let's pick up that litter there and do some crazy stunt here. That stunt was not so that crazy actually. 14. You must try and qualify again. Why do they give me 0 to the latest? Or the latest, the judges 3 and 4, Gary and Andy, you bastards. Blockheads. What shall I do? I mean, I cannot go faster, so I have to do more tricks, I think. And I'm falling over. Oh shit, now will get the even worst score perhaps. Oh, what is that? Is it a shortcut? But I have to go through the gates because I will get disqualified, I think, if I miss. Whee! Whee! Fuck you. This is worst performance. And now some person come and knock me down as well. 13. Hard luck, you did not qualify. So it's yeah. What can I say? It's a good game, but they could have done it a little bit easier, in my opinion. And cannot really get the hang of it, but once you get the hang of it, I think it's a very, very good game. So I will give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. And there, like I said, there is a second game mode which I will not touch today, but it's some kind of side-scrolling affair. So there you go. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.